Hi, this is Justin Ball with the Showerhead store, and I am the Showerhead guy. In this video, I'll be reviewing this Sprite Inline Shower Head Filter. This is Sprite's high output. It's the larger filter with a brass housing, so super heavy duty. Inline filters are great because you get that filtration while also being able to choose the shower head that you want, right? So typical shower head filters, the filter is built into the shower head, so you don't really have much choice if you don't like that shower head. With this, you can install it with the shower head of your choosing, get an all metal one too, make it a really solid upgrade, and you'll be happy that you did. This product is available on Amazon. I'll put the links down below. And before I get into breaking down the details of this product, please click like, subscribe, hit that bell, and get alerts. We'll be putting out more and more videos for you. So here's the box that it came in. It's a pretty solid box, well packaged. Not much in the box. There's the housing and the filters pre-installed. You got some instructions and information on the warranty. A little card to remind you about changing the filter every 6 months to a year based on your usage. Yeah, so just quick ones and twos on this product. Like I said, it's solid brass, like really heavy duty. So major upgrade from the plastic housing, you know, that can leak in time, especially when you're unthreading it and threading it back on constantly to change the filter. So that's a nice upgrade with the brass. This particular unit is chrome. It's also available in brushed nickel and oil rub bronze. Now the manufacturer does state that it does reduce chlorine and not chloramine. So you can get more details on the product listing there, but that's, you know, one of the big things you want out of your water is the chlorine for smoother, silkier hair, and also removes debris and stuff that, you know, comes through the line. The manufacturer does offer a 1-year warranty on the housing, filter. They say replace it 4 to 6 months, maybe up to a year. It does not say where it's made, so I'm going to assume it's made in China. Has no indication anywhere on the box, very limited detail on the packaging, which is odd considering how big of a manufacturer they are. And do you need anything for installation? They say just hand tighten it on. I believe it. It's pretty heavy. I think you can just get this nice tight seal by hand. So yeah, before I go ahead and install this and give you some more information, I got a bunch of pro tips on getting the best performance out of this product. So stay tuned for that. But please click like, click subscribe, and post any questions or comments you have down in the comments below. I'll be there. So yeah, I have 2 pro tips for you. One, there is a thick gasket in here. And if you install it with this, you know, obviously this will compress down. If you're after installation and everything with the shower head, if you're not getting much pressure, or you notice that your pressure is greatly reduced, double check and make sure that the washer didn't push through into your shower arm. If it is, maybe get some, wrap the threads in Teflon or thread seal tape, and because some of these shower arms have thinner gauge metal, so that the washer pushes up in there and blocks the flow. You could also replace this washer with a flatter washer, because it does look like it may constrict water a bit. We'll see how it goes with this, but that's pro tip number 1. Consider maybe removing that washer and just using a lot of thread seal tape and a smaller washer. Pro tip number 2 is when you're switching out your filter, and I should show you this. This is the Sprite shower filter. Some people say that maybe it's hard to unthread the product after a year of water going through it, you know, this may seize up. So a pro tip would be to put some plumber's grease on the threads so that it's way easier to open up the housing when you want to replace the cartridge. And pro tip number 3 would be, if you want to get some extra life out of this filter, just flip it around. This is reversible, okay? So if you run it for, you know, 6 months this way, at 6 months, take it out. If it's still looking like it's in good condition, maybe just rinse the screens here, okay? And then just put it in the other way. And yeah, they recommend greasing the O-rings that are in here too, while you're at it. So, and then probably re-grease this. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this on and run some water through it. Yeah, and I'm not gonna over tighten it because I am worried that maybe the washer will push into the shower arm. So I'm gonna leave it there and see what's going on. So what you wanna do, you wanna run some warm water through this for at least 1 minute and clear out any like sediment and stuff that's in the filter. So we'll run some water through this. So yeah, the water, it started running a little black at first, but within like 15 seconds it was clear. So you want to do at least 1 minute running the water. The pressure was like, it was pummeling out pretty good. I mean, so yeah, don't over tighten it and you should be good with that washer. So I went ahead and installed our HammerHead showers, all metal handheld shower head. You know, completing the metal upgrade. I'll link to that in the video down below. Yeah, I'll run some water through it. We'll, you know, check out, you know, the water flow through it and double check for leaks, and that'll be it. So yeah, the pressure's coming out pretty good. Didn't seem like there was any restriction from the filter installation whatsoever. Don't smell any chlorine in the water. Stay tuned, because the next video series that I'll be doing on shower filtering will be testing for total dissolved solids. We'll have one video comparing different filters to see which one's the best at removing total dissolved solids. And we'll do another one on chlorine. So hope you enjoyed that video. This is Justin Ball with the Showerhead Store signing off. I am the Showerhead Guy.